On a sun-kissed Jamaican beach, where the turquoise waves danced rhythmically against the golden sand, Giffy, a dedicated lifeguard, was on duty, his tan physique a testament to his commitment to fitness. Every day, he immersed himself in his responsibilities, patrolling the shoreline and ensuring the safety of beachgoers while spending hours in the gym 3 times a week to stay in shape. His focus wasn't just about his job. It was about embodying the essence of Jamaica. One radiant afternoon, 3 tourist women of English, Irish, Scottish, and Welsh heritage lounged under the sun, chatting animatedly when Giffy emerged from the water, droplets glistening on his muscular frame. Drawn by his confident presence and the ease with which he navigated the water, they couldn't help but watch as he approached. "Hey there! You make swimming look so easy!" the English woman exclaimed, her eyes sparkling with admiration. Curious and lively, they struck up a conversation with him, sharing stories over cool drinks of refreshing lemonade and sweet coconut water. Giffy, with his warm smile and friendly demeanor, told them about the culture in Jamaica, the vibrant lifestyles, and his passion for ensuring safety. As the sun dipped lower in the sky, the women shared tales of their adventures in the UK, encouraging him to visit someday. "You'd love it," the Irish woman said, her eyes filled with excitement. "There are so many beautiful places to explore." Giffy laughed, his mind happy with newfound connections. "Maybe one day I'll take you up on that," he replied, feeling a little spark of wanderlust ignite within him. As day turned to twilight, the bond forged on that beach remained golden, a reminder that even in our unique journeys, friendships can bloom in the most unexpected places.